bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all my wasted time, except the trouble, worried mind.
Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. So this weekend's video, three-wheel extravaganza in Bendigo. What an event. It's the second time it's been on, but the first time I've been. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was really good. A lot of different stuff there. If you're interested in this stuff, like and subscribe. I'm going to help these guys out for the event next year. I'll help advertise. So, yeah, get on board. So, let's have a look.
We've arranged a display of three-wheelers, so we've got a combination of trikes, we've got some outfits over there, we've got some off-road races, we've got a road racing one. Because they're three-wheelers, we've got a couple of human-powered vehicles from Victoria College.
Yes.
And of course we've got a good set lineup of Can-ams. So we're expecting about 50-55 three-wheelers for the course of the day.
And we're extremely early at the moment, so
Very early.
People are just rolling in, so we'll hang around until everyone's here.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all my wasted time, except the trouble, worried mind. I got nothing to show for wasted time. Hard living, it don't come cheap. The stakes are high and the price is steep when you're in deep with hard living. You're playing for keeps. Living poor out on the fringes, motel benders, cocaine binges. The doors are closing, coming off the hinges, when hard living has got you in its clinches. Old habits are hard to kick when you got demons to drown and a mind to trick. You're falling quick when hard living has got you in its grips. Playing your heart out, traveling hard in truck stop diners, small town bars, with pretty much nothing but a few blues harps. Hard living, don't care who you are. And hard living stakes are high and the price is steep when you're in deep with hard living. You're playing for keeps.
Sidecars?
Yeah.
Well, where I am, I've been there 13 years now,
Yeah.
out of Creswick, and I reckon I'm about 95 chairs, I suppose.
Wow, yeah.
Haven't quite made the 100 yet.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. And front ends I've probably made maybe 24 sets of trail reducing plates.
Yeah, yeah. You did
And,
one for John, didn't you? On his Enfield?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. Fantastic. It's a nice, tidy setup.
One of the few guys in Victoria who's still doing it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, it'd be hard to find someone, wouldn't it? It'd be really hard to find someone these days, yeah.
Yep, but keep looking, people find me.
Yeah.
I've never advertised, ever.
But what bothers me is I'm so far away from home.
Like, does it make it handle a lot better?
Power steering.
It is it? Yeah, righto.
Sorts it right out. Nice light feeling.
Yes.
But you still got to keep a little bit of trail for directional.
Yes,
right?
okay, yep.
And it's the way to go.
So it's either that or then you go to leading link after that, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
$1,000 versus $4,000.
Yeah, no worries. So it's an easy pick, isn't it? Yeah.
Easy
Can I
fix.
just interrupt you, Paul? I've got that. What's the number for?
Yeah, I had the back.
Home, home, home. A little more gas for me, please. Just crack open the window and all I need is speed. But what bothers me is you're not sitting next to me. What bothers me is you're not sitting next to me. And I know that life is rough like this road, and sometimes all I do is spin in the snow. And I want you to know that I felt what it's like to feel so low, like a shadow on the road, just a shadow on the road. Let me in from the cold. Old friends are good, but strangers are like gold. 'Cause everything I say is new, nothing gets old. 'Cause everything I say is new, nothing gets old. And I know that life is rough like this road, and sometimes all I do is spin in the snow. And I want you to know that I felt what it's like to feel so low, like a shadow on the road, just a shadow on the road, just a shadow on the road, just a shadow on the road. On the road. I'm trying
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagons back.